हॅलो एव्हरीवन, वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चॅनल. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत वर्ग 12वा विषय इंग्रजी यामधील जी क्वेश्चन बँक आहे त्यातील सेक्शन 4 स्टडी ऑफ लिटररी जॅनर नॉवेल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 मध्ये नॉवेल आधारित प्रश्न असतात 16 मार्कांचे, ते आपण पाहणार आहोत. त्यापैकी क्वेश्चन 5A हा जो काही क्वेश्चन आहे तो हिस्ट्री ऑफ नॉवेल 4.1 वर आधारित येथील प्रश्न असतात. तर 4 मार्कांसाठी क्वेश्चन 5A मध्ये विचारलं जातं. 2-2 मार्कांचे 2 क्वेश्चन्स. तर कोणकोणते दिलेले आहेत ते बघूयात आपण. क्वेश्चन 5A, कंप्लीट द ॲक्टिव्हिटीज गिवन बिलो ॲज पर द इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स. फर्स्ट, choose the correct alternative and rewrite the sentence. त्यामध्ये पहिला आहे 18th century gifted mankind with option A drama and poetry, option B novel and drama, option C poetry and novel, option D novel and periodical essays. Second, novel soon become dominant literary genre as it, option A help people to live a more purposeful life, B caught the intellectual, sentimental and realistic spirit, C grew gradually and gained popularity, D all of these. Third, Indian writers in English novel initially wrote about the theme of, option A domestic violence, B nationalistic and social virtues, C scientific theories, D psychological insights. Fourth, Gothic novels contains, option A terror and supernatural, B mystery and thriller, C horror and haunted buildings, D all of these. Fifth, strike out the unnecessary. Detective fiction is, option A a subgenre of crime fiction, B Agatha Christie mastered the art of crime fiction, C detectives can be professional or amateur, D protagonist is necessarily an eccentric person. सेकंड आहे fill in the blanks by choosing correct alternative. त्यामधील फर्स्ट, a novel is relatively a dash dash narrative in bracket short oblique long oblique descriptive. Second, English word novel is derived from the Italian word dash dash in bracket novella, novelli, novellus. Third, Geoffrey Chaucer wrote dash dash in bracket Morte de Arthur, the Canterbury Tales, Tale of Genji. Fourth, The Tale of Genji by Murasaki Shikabu was published in the year dash dash 1010, 1605, 1050, 1600. Fifth, The Pilgrim's Progress is a novel written by in bracket John Bunyan, Aphra Behn, Daniel Defoe. Sixth, dash dash is the pioneer of the stream of consciousness novel in bracket Agatha Christie, Jane Austen, Virginia Woolf. Seventh, the first Indian English novel Rajmohan's Wife was written by in bracket Mulkraj Anand, R.K. Narayan, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Eighth, Joseph Conrad wrote the novella named as dash dash in bracket Billy Budd, The Heart of Darkness, Pearl. Ninth, science fiction is a genre of speculative fiction dealing with dash dash in bracket futuristic settings, death and decay, earlier period than of writing. 10th, the famous trio of the Indian writers is in bracket Mulkraj Anand, R.K. Narayan Rajarao, oblique Amitav Ghosh, then Manohar Malgaonkar, Mulkraj Anand, oblique Amitav Ghosh, R.K. Narayan and Arvind Adiga. 3. Chronological order. In it, first, write in chronological order. A. Murasaki Shikibu's Tale of Genji. B. Greek romances. C. The appearance of magazines and newspapers. D. Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. Second, write in chronological order. A. Industrial Revolution. B. Drama and poetry started fading away. C. Novel gained popularity. D. The rise of the middle class. Third, given below are some novels, events, and writers of Indian English. Arrange them in a chronological order. A. Rise of famous Indian trio. B. Nayantara Sehgal, Arun Joshi, Manohar Malgaonkar. C. Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai, Kiran Nagarkar. D. Rajmohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Fourth, given below are some novels in English literature. Arrange them in their order of their appearance. A. The Pilgrim's Progress and Urunaku. B. Eclogues and Morte d'Arthur. C. Pamela and Gulliver's Travels. D. The Tale of Genji and Don Quixote. Fourth, state whether the following statements are true or false. First, novel is recognized as the most dominant literary genre in modern times. Second, a novel is relatively a short narrative. Third, Tale of Genji is described as world's first novel. Fourth, middle class people had a little interest in romances and tragedies. Fifth, novel gave voice to the aspirations and longings of middle class. Sixth, the women novelists haven't contributed significantly in English literature. Seventh, novella is greater in length than novel. Eighth, setting doesn't affect plot or characters. Ninth, the struggle in opposite forces in a story is called as conflict. 10th, epistolary novel is a series of correspondence, other documents and diary entries as well. 5th, match the following. Match the essential elements of the novel in column A with the relevant points in column B. In column A, first, theme, plot, character, setting. In column B, A can be a thumbnail or deep detailed sketch. B, the background of this story. C, philosophical statement, a central idea. D, course of the events. Second, match the following. In A, theme, plot, conflict, language, style. In B, A, philosophical statement, a central idea. B, the struggle in between opposite forces. C, techniques of the narration. D, course of the events. Third, match the following. In A, first Agatha Christie, second William James, third George Eliot, fourth Mary Shelley. And in B, A, stream of consciousness. B, crime fiction. C, science based novels. D, psychological novels. Fourth, match the following. In A, first Virginia Woolf, second Mary Shelley, third Frances Burney, fourth Anne Radcliffe. In B, A, Gothic novels. B, novel of manners. C, science based novels. D, stream of consciousness. Fifth, match the following. A, first rise of the middle class. Second, the spirit of realism and denial of romanticism. Third, novel and periodical essay. Fourth, the tales of Greek romances. In B, A. 18th century literature. B. Industrial revolution. C. Stories of ideal love and adventures. D. Novel as a literary genre. Sixth, match the following. In A, first the flow of thoughts. Second, the internal life of the protagonist. Third, the novel based on the life of author. Fourth, the growth of protagonist's mind, spirit, and characters. In B, A. Bildungsroman novel. B. Stream of consciousness. C. Psychological novel. D. Autobiographical novel. आता मॅच द फॉलोइंगमध्ये सेवन्थ आहे, तर त्यामधील एमध्ये आहे फर्स्ट डॅनियल डिफो, सेकंड जोनाथन स्विफ्ट, थर्ड सॅम्युअल रिचर्डसन, फोर्थ जॉन बनियान. इन बी, ए गलिवर्स ट्रॅव्हल्स. बी रॉबिन्सन क्रुसो. सी द पिलग्रिम्स प्रोग्रेस. डी पामेला. एट्थ, मॅच द फॉलोइंग. इन ए, फर्स्ट पिकारेस्क नॉवेल, second historical novel, third allegorical novel, fourth utopian novel. In B, A bears more than one layer of meaning. B speculative fiction. C adventures of an eccentric protagonist. D set in an earlier period than of the writing. Ninth, match the following. ए मध्ये आहे फर्स्ट थॉमस मन, सेकंड जॉन स्टेनबेक, थर्ड हेनरी जेम्स, फोर्थ जोसेफ कॉन्रॅड. बी मध्ये आहे द हार्ट ऑफ डार्कनेस. बी द सन ऑफ द टर्न ऑफ द स्क्रू. सी डेथ इन वेनिस आणि डी पर्ल. सिक्स्थ आहे कम्प्लीट द सेंटेन्स. आता इथे वाक्य पूर्ण करायचं आहे आपल्याला. खाली पर्याय दिलेले ते पर्यायापैकी योग्य पर्याय घेऊन आपल्याला वाक्य पूर्ण करायचे. फर्स्ट, द पिरियॉडिकल एसे अँड नॉवेल आर द गिफ्ट्स ऑफ इन ब्रॅकेट 18th century or 17th century or 19th century. Second, a novel is relatively a dash dash in bracket a short narrative fiction or a long narrative fiction or a fiction of moderate length. Third, the Industrial Revolution gave birth to poor class oblique middle class oblique rich class. Fourth, appearance of newspaper in 18th century attracted a large number of readers from dash dash poor class oblique middle class oblique rich class. Fifth, a rise of novel as a literary genre resulted in lowering the importance of dash dash in bracket poetry oblique drama and poetry. Sixth, Salman Rushdie, V.S. Naipaul, Kazuo Ishiguro are dash dash in bracket Indian authors oblique immigrant authors oblique रायटर्स ऑफ इंडियन ओरिजिन. आता यानंतरचा क्वेश्चन असतो क्वेश्चन 5 बी. तर हा क्वेश्चन 5 बी नॉवेल 4.2 टू सर्व विथ लव यावर आधारित हे प्रश्न असतात आणि यालासुद्धा 4 मार्क आहे. 2-2 मार्काचे 2 प्रश्न सोडवणे या ठिकाणी अपेक्षित आहेत. तर कोणते प्रश्न दिलेले आहेत ते आपण पाहूयात. क्वेश्चन 5 बी, आन्सर इन अबाउट 50 words to the questions given below. First, half yearly report of the Students' Council highlights the conduct of Braithwaite's class. Justify. Second, in the questioning session, Denham was expressing few students' feelings. Illustrate. Third, Miss Phillips effectively handled the questioning session. Give supporting details. Fourth, write a short note on the event which took place on 15th November in Greenslade School. Fifth, the extract presents the narrator as a silent observer of the events. Explain. Sixth, analyzing the change in the student's behavior in the presentation is the central theme. Seventh, Denham and Miss Joseph played a key role in the presentation of the half-yearly report of the Students' Council. Illustrate. Eighth, the senior students presented their class report more confidently than the junior students. Give reasons. Ninth, Fernman was innovative and dramatic in his presentation. Discuss in brief. 10th, the stage has a great impact on the presentation of the students. Justify the statement. आता त्यानंतर असतो प्रश्न क्वेश्चन 5C, जो 4.3 अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इन 80 डेजवर आधारित असतो. यात सुद्धा 4 मार्क असतात. 2-2 मार्कांचे 2 प्रश्न सोडवणं अपेक्षित असते. क्वेश्चन 5C, आन्सर इन अबाउट 50 वर्ड्स टू द क्वेश्चन्स गिवन बिलो. First, explain how the author has made use of the international dateline and time zones in his novel. Second, money was never a concern for Mr. Phileas Fogg. It was for honor he accepted the wager. Discuss. Third, Phileas Fogg's travel around the world was full of adventures and surprises. Illustrate. Fourth, explain how the time gained of a full day is revealed to Mr. Fogg. Fifth, Passepartout stations himself outside Phileas' door. Give reason. Sixth, Passepartout blamed himself for the misfortune of his master. Justify. Seventh, compare the remorse in the mind of Mr. Fogg and Ada for the seeming failure of his wager. 8th, explain the stress on the mind of Fogg after returning from world tour at Savile Row. 9th, narrate the happenings at a reform club on the 18th day of the wager. 10th, there was no general agreement about Mr. Fogg's success in the opponents. Discuss. 11th, narrate the happenings at a prison where Fogg was kept under arrest. 12th, all is well that ends well. Justify in the light of the extract from the novel Around the World in 80 Days. 13th, winning the heart is preferred to the winning of wager. Express by supporting the details. त्यानंतर शेवटचा प्रश्न विचारला जातो क्वेश्चन 5D. तर क्वेश्चन 5D हा नॉवेल 4.4 द साइन ऑफ 4वर आधारित असतो. यामध्ये सुद्धा 4 मार्कांसाठी आहे आणि 2-2 मार्कांचे 2 प्रश्न विचारलेले असतात. क्वेश्चन 5D, answer in about 50 words to the questions given below. First, the reception of 6 pearls helps the story to move forward by providing some connection with the other happenings. Illustrate. Second, describe the desired destination of the parties in your words by providing some details. Third, write the character sketch of Sherlock Holmes as a professional detective. Fourth, compare the thought process of Holmes and Dr. Watson in handling the case. Fifth, narrate the case of Miss Marston in your words. Sixth, Sherlock Holmes deducted facts from the back files of the Times. Justify by providing few details. Seventh, you are a wronged woman and shall have just it. Interpret the statement to highlight the conflict in Miss Morstan's mind. 8. Dr. Watson reflects Miss Morstan's state of mind. Discuss with some examples. 9th. Holmes had a competence about the route of their travel. Suggest some points to clarify the statement. 10th. The mention of new places adds a pace to the story. Justify. 11th. M. Morstan found Holmes as a right person to handle her case. Give reason. 12th. Write the character sketch of Dr. Watson as a sensitive character. 13. The paper found in the desk of Captain Morstan is the center of action. Explain. 14th. I may be very obtuse, Holmes, but I fail to see what this suggests. Justify the statement by highlighting the difference in deducing the case. 15th. Find support from the text which elaborates the tone of the narrator when he compares himself with Miss Morstan. 16th. The narrator makes Miss Morstan's journey comfortable while going to an unknown place. Narrate in your words. 17th. The coachman is described as a faithful servant. Justify the statement in your words. 18th. Holmes, Dr. Watson and Mary Morstan reach at the third pillar of the Lyceum Theatre. Describe the state of mind of the trio. तर हे होते नॉवेल सेक्शनवर आधारित क्वेश्चन्स. क्वेश्चन 5A, 5B, 5C आणि 5D जे 16 मार्कांचे आहेत. अशाच प्रकारचे नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. आमच्या चॅनलचे सर्वच व्हिडिओज ताबडतोब तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉन बटनला क्लिक करा. हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा. तुमच्या मित्रमैत्रिणींमध्ये गरजू विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये जास्तीत जास्त प्रमाणात शेअर करा. काही अडचण असेल, काही सजेशन असेल, काही इन्फॉर्मेशन असेल किंवा रिप्लाय द्यायचा असेल तर कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट करा. हा व्हिडिओ अत्यंत काळजीपूर्वक आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट टिल द एंड शेवटपर्यंत पाहिल्याबद्दल तुम्हा सर्वांचे मनापासून आभार. थँक्यू. थँक्स अ लॉट.